Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Pizzaman, steamed hot buns originated from Chinese dim sum, stuffed with Italian pizza-flavored fillings. This is one of the popular items found at convenience stores in Japan during winter. These are the ingredients. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. First, we are making the dough. Dissolve the yeast in warm water and let it stand for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix the flour, sugar, paprika, and baking powder. Add the dry ingredients to the yeast water and oil. Any neutral flavored oil is fine. And mix in a stand mixer using a dough hook for about 10 minutes or until the dough becomes elastic and smooth, like that. Shape the dough into a ball and put it back in the bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise for 30 to 40 minutes until doubled. Meanwhile, prepare the filling. Chop onion finely, mince garlic. Heat the oil in a frying pan with garlic. Add the ground beef and cook until the beef is browned, breaking apart into small pieces as it cooks. Add chopped onion and cook for a few minutes until onion gets very tender. Season with salt and pepper. Then add the tomato sauce and ketchup and cook for a couple of more minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool to room temperature. And add the shredded cheese and mix. Now going back to the dough, remove the plastic and deflate the air from the dough. Cut the prepared dough into 8 equal pieces, as we are making 8 steamed buns, and shape each into a ball, like that. And cover with plastic while we fill each ball. Now take one ball and roll it into a 5-inch round, about 12 centimeter, and put 1/8 of the meat mixture, we are using a small ice cream scoop here, and place in the middle of the dough. And lift up the edge of the dough like that to wrap the filling, and pinch on top to seal. Gather the edge and twist a bit on top and place it on parchment paper cut in square. Repeat for the remaining dough. Place them in a hot steamer a few inches apart. Cover and cook at medium-high heat for 10 to 12 minutes. And serve immediately while hot. Warm and soft steamed bread is filled with cheesy filling. This is actually quite tasty, especially when it's made at home with fresh ingredients. Hope you give this a try. 美味しい。